Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can register to the M&T Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.3.mtb.com and hit enter. After the home page of the M&T Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, on the bottom right corner of your screen you'll see a Enroll Now button. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the enroll button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, click on one of these options. Once you click on one of those options, a form will appear on your screen. Now you will have to fill in some credentials. You will have to fill in your account number here, your social security number here, your date of birth here, and then click on continue. After you click on the continue button, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you will be guided to another page which will help you to enroll into the M&T Bank. I hope this video helped you to enroll into the M&T Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.